We begin the 108 Peaks workshops in schools with a yoga class adapted for children, led by myself. My name is Gemma. I'm from Spain and a yoga teacher. We start with yoga because it helps unify the group's energy and foster awareness. Next, together with Manoj, an Indian mountaineer, we engage the children by encouraging them to reflect on and share personal experience related to mountaineering. This theoretical segment is crucial for understanding the importance of preserving mountains. Afterward, we carry out practical workshops such as collecting plastic waste, creating utensils from recycled materials, planting trees or making murals. Our goal is for these activities to be meaningful and have a lasting impact. Part of our project, subscribe to our channel or with a contribution through PayPal. We conclude by sharing the results of the activity, discussing the students' feelings and exploring ways to improve and implement what they have learned. Thanks to the donations we receive, we provide the children with t-shirts bearing the message Clean Mountains, Safe Mountains, as well as food and in some cases school supplies depending on the amount of donations received. Every donation we receive is 100% dedicated to the 108 Peaks project, with the aim of promoting conscious living in the mountains and advocating for environmental conservation.
Clean mountains, safe mountains!